Where philanthropy is incredibly important is allowing us access to funding which is often for large pieces of equipment that form foundations for all of those other competitive research projects that we get from the government. So for example, this piece of equipment behind me here, this GCMS, is something that came from a philanthropic donation. This is proving to be incredibly important in our search for biomarkers in Alzheimer's disease.
The community is from Wollongong community. They have funded us through the fundraising and the donation $200,000 to buy this beta imaging machine. They know this is called a bigger camera. They can look at the brain signals. We used to spend 3 months to see the signal. Now use this donated machine. We can see the brain signals in 3 hours. The speed is huge. The speed time is our research key factor. The support, this is really fantastic.
Basic research, it's blue sky, and it's very hard to convince anyone to fund us for those risky projects. We can also use some of this fundraising money to fund a student to try this blue sky project, which may go somewhere really significant, and it may not, but that's what research is about. Fundraising groups like the Illawarra Cancer Carers and Kiama Rotary have been particularly generous in their fundraising for us. Their funding has supported research assistants, students, equipment and buying of expensive materials to allow us to develop the drugs.
I was lucky enough to receive an IMRI Summer Scholarship for Dementia Research in 2011. I utilised these funds to conduct a small research project looking at the impact of cherry juice on brain function and blood pressure. So the small amount of funding I received to conduct this research project was more significant than anyone could have ever predicted. I've been lucky enough to travel both nationally and internationally to nutrition-related conferences to report the findings of these studies, and it's actually very significant on an international scale. So I'd just like to take the time to thank the donor for his amazing contribution. Although it might seem small to some people, it has significantly impacted my life, and it has opened so many doors for my future career prospects.